Hello, superstars. Once again, you're welcome to La Prinzo Wealth Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe, and in this short video, I'm going to analyze V51 else. This is pure price action strategy. All right, I'm going to be using also SMC entry. I'm going to be teaching you SMC entry strategy as well. All right, so let's get started. Now, the first thing I want to do is to look at the market on a daily time frame. You see, the market is on a daily time frame. I want to check the overall direction of the market, so I'm going to be drawing trend lines as well. So let me draw my trend line, or I can even draw it this way. So let's draw the trend line like this. So the market is bullish, very strong, of strong bullish formation. If you draw that way, it's going to take us a long time before the market may get to our direction. So for us to look for a pullback, so let's draw the market, this trend line this way. All right. So so this is the way we're going to look like. We're going to draw the trend line. Now you can see that. So what I'm looking for is the market to pull back to this level, and perhaps break the trend line. So again, I want to look out for order block. Yeah, I can see one here. So this market may get to this place here because of this rejection here, and also look whether we can get fair value gap. All right, so this should be an ideal reversal, maybe where the market may pull back. We can also use Fibonacci retracement, but for this example, I'm not using Fibonacci. I'm just using this trend line to know the direction. All right, so let's watch out for the market to react. So we are here. I'm thinking that the market, it did not react here. It didn't go up from here. Let me zoom it a little bit. I was expecting the market to give us some kind of pullback from here. All right, come down here, but the market did not react from this level. But let me put my horizontal line here. These are levels. So sometimes the market may be giving us a long wick from here. If I see a fair value gap, I will say buy from this level. If I see a sign, let's also look at one of our time frame. So let's be patient. The market may most likely respect this particular order block here. This particular order block here. The market will most likely respect this order block. So if you get to this point, it means that it has also broken our trend line. Remember, you don't just trade when the market gets to your trend line. Don't trade there. That's very, very most time is a trap. You don't trade because the market is on your trend line. Ensure that the market breaks out of your trend line and give us a wick. So let's wait for the market to again break out of the trend line, and then perhaps get to this particular order block. That's when we'll look for buy opportunity. Right now the market is selling, so instead we can even look for sell opportunities based on, maybe we can use 30 minutes time frame to look for sell opportunities. But I think I would rather wait for buy opportunity because the market is a buy market, is a bullish market. So if you get to this trend line here, and then perhaps this particular order block, once you get here, ensure that your light to also break out of this place. Don't just buy because the market gets to the place. Let it break out. Let it, like the way it's doing now. This place is also an order block. All right, this is also an order block. If when it goes to this order block, you see how it moved. So the same way it's doing right now. If it gets to this point, don't just buy. Allow it to break out like this. Most time after breaking out, it will not give us a long wick. This 4 hours time frame may not close red. It may just, this is about 7:54 rather. So 9 o'clock, this candlestick will change. So let's just wait for this market to react. If it's going to be here, it means that before we look for buy opportunity, let it break out from here. This structure here, this is market structure. If you move to the upside, clear this structure and then give us fair value gap. We're going to look for fair value gap and buy when the market forms a fair value gap. For now, we are not buying until it breaks out from that structure, that market structure. So let's also draw a trend line here. All right, let's draw a trend line here. So we have another trend line, so we are not doing anything until the market takes out this high, this structure here. If it takes out this structure, give us a fair value gap and come back to retest this trend line, perhaps then we'll look for buy opportunity. For now, let's wait until here or this particular area where the market may likely return. So guys, I hope you understand. It's a very powerful. You need to be very patient. Be patient. Don't be in a hurry. You can be monitoring this market for the next 1 day or two, but be patient. If you are not patient, then the market is going to give you haywire. The patient dog, they say, eat the fattest bone. So be patient and see the direction that I've just analyzed. You see that we are buying after the market takes out of this structure, this particular structure here, or wait patiently until this level. If you give us a fake breakout from this level, then we'll look for buy opportunity and ride the market back to this zone. But let's just wait how it goes. Be patient and be watching this market, of course. I hope you understand the video, and I hope you learn something. I'll see you next time in my other trainings. Join the La Prince World Academy. Use the link on the bio to create your own Deriv account and start trading forex and indices with Deriv.